Hi folks, just going to do a video on just a quick look at the equity markets, because we're seeing reversal patterns on all the equity markets at the moment. Now if we go back along, this is the German DAX on a daily chart, and you can see we had a beautiful A, B, C, D coming in absolutely spot on. Market backed off, came down into a lower high, and then it just fell off the screen, as you can see. Since then we've made this inverse head and shoulders pattern. Came down to new low, rallied back, came down, completed the higher low, and then we've had a really good move. Now we've come, this is the trend line taken up through these two lows, projected forward now and right into this trend line, just breached into it a little bit. Right at this key resistance level here. This was a support level, broke through it. We're now back there. This could act as a hook sell. So it was support there, broke through support, we've come back down. Now we're back at this same level again. That could act as resistance, and then we start to move down. First objective would be as the move that we did last time. See that this is the last correction we had. So all I've done is clone that and project it off the high. So this pattern's now complete. So we should start lower sometime early next week. If we take a look at the Dow Jones, we can see exactly similar patterns again on the Dow. Beautiful three drives to a top. That time cycle high, high to high, that projects to Monday. So sometimes we just spike up into this 786. The Dow loves the 780. Racks around the 786 more than any other market. If it gets up into there around about 26,900, we're taking a really close look at that. Again, the first target was what we did the last time, this BC swing down here, so you'd be looking at that as a minimum. Whether it turns into anything bigger than that, and it certainly could do when you look at the charts, patterns on the weekly chart. So we've got two patterns, your three drives, your A, B, C, D, Gartley. That's your Dow. If you now look at the S&P 500, again, we're seeing similar patterns on the daily. You've got your beautiful Gartley pattern, A, B, C, D coming in. That completes with three drives to a top. Again, if we just zoom in a little bit, the last three drives to a top we had, we fell off the screen. So we've got similar three drives. In fact, that should have been projected to Friday's high, but we could just spike up one more time on Monday, and then we should be starting to the downside, is what it's looking like if the patterns are correct. Let's have a look at the FTSE 100. The FTSE can't get out of its own way, which is hardly surprising. What's going on in Westminster, but we'll not worry about that. We'll concentrate on the patterns. And this is a slightly higher low here, and it says like a double word. It's slightly higher, as you can see. That's another ABCD pattern, a lot weaker than the other markets as the FTSE. So the ones to be watching closely on Monday are the equity markets. So that's what I'm seeing in equities. So take care and good luck with your trading.